Hola everyone, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate coming to you live from Malolo, Nadi neighborhood. What a quiet, beautiful area. Check out this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, gorgeous home with carpet grass, fully fenced, beautiful flower gardens. Check out this covered tiled car park, huge patio. The owners have been here for a long time, have had a lot of love in this place, are looking to downsize. So this could be a wonderful opportunity. Come and have a look. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths on a 1,081 square meter lot. It's close to 2 great schools, the Sri A.D. Patel Primary School and the SVC College. So here we have the entrance room, the master bedroom here. Really nice size master with air con. Here's the master bathroom and shower. So as we come back through the house, we've got the bedrooms here on the right-hand side of this fully fenced house. So you've got bedroom number 2. This is the 3rd bedroom. It's got the air con in there as well. This 4th bedroom could also be a utility room because, as you're going to see here, it actually is right next to the car park. So in case there's bad weather, you can come right in and not worry about getting wet. You've got the additional 2nd bathroom here and shower area. So again, tiled throughout. And this place has 77 years left on a crown lease. And we do have floor plans and valuation report available. So here's a great little sitting area. You've got full service kitchen with gas stove. You've got some nice utility rooms down to the back here with really, really nice views. So that could be a nice little office for someone as well. Here's your laundry area. You've got an outside fireplace too. So I know a lot of locals love cooking outside. This place is totally set up for that. It's in a flood-free zone. It's got easy access to public transportation, a quick walk to 2 markets. Now check out this just amazing view. You've got Transmitter Hill views on one side, Nassori Highland Mountain views to the back of us over there as well. This is a really awesome opportunity for somebody who wants to use these views, put in a swimming pool, a potential development opportunity if you want to put in an additional unit. The rental market here is about $1,500 for this place right now. There you can see papaya, pawpaw trees, coconut, bananas, breadfruit. Really spacious backyard back here. So you've got a ton of potential. Again, if you're interested in seeing this place near Tassil Road and Chandra Medical Center, in only 3 minutes drive to Queens Road, give us a call. It's priced at $420,000 Fijian dollars, and you can find out more at professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. Vanaka.